Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the esteemed FaceTime with Leaders, an initiative by World Development Corporation. I'm Sunny Pancholi, anchor at World Development Corporation. FaceTime with Leaders is a platform for industry titans to share their experiences, thoughts, ideas, and best practices in order to inspire one another and future leaders. In a nutshell, we attempt to encapsulate the multi-decadal learnings acquired by these industry leaders. We also hope that by conducting these FaceTime with Leaders interviews, we can bring together a global community of eminent personalities. By bringing together such visionaries on one platform, we hope to play a part in inspiring the lives of other leaders. Great learnings from great leaders undoubtedly assist everyone by identifying, nurturing, and using the trade secrets that are proven success formulas for men. And this is what we aim for with these sessions, by making them a gathering of industry stalwarts and a knowledge-sharing community. We have one such corporate veteran on FaceTime with Leaders with us today, Mr. N.A. Sudhakar. He carries an illustrious career spanning over 3.5 decades, with a remarkable 18-year tenure in senior management roles across various functions within the manufacturing sector. Notably, as the COO and SBU, Head of Business Operations and Growth at Mangal Industries Limited, a prominent entity within the Amara Raja group of companies, he has exemplified extraordinary leadership and strategic acumen. With a keen focus on results, he has fostered fruitful engagements with global stakeholders while spearheading business operations, leading to substantial growth in P&L. His professional repertoire encompasses diverse industries, including automotive components, textile machinery, machine building, tool work, material handling equipments, and heavy fabrication. Welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, Mr. Sudhakar.
Thank you, Sunny Pancholi. It's a very impressive introduction given to me. I think it's a pleasurable while listening to the introduction given to me. Thank you very much, and very good morning.
Good morning. So to begin with, could you provide an overview of your 17 years in senior management and over 3.5 decades of overall experience, highlighting the key functions you have worked across in the manufacturing industry?
Yes, Sunny. Let me brief you, starting with my first exposure as an engineering professional. My journey started in 1989 after completing my BE in mechanical engineering, where I began my career as a heavy fabrication engineer at NTPC site in Dadri, Uttar Pradesh. Here I gained my skills in arc welding, submerged arc welding, and MIG welding. In 1991, I moved to the machine tool industries in Chennai as senior engineer. This experience proved invaluable as it allowed me to deep dive into machine tool assembly, emphasizing the importance of precision engineering and quality standards. These are fundamental to a mechanical engineering. From 1995 to 2000, I worked with bicycle manufacturing sector in Chennai, where I was responsible for managing procurement, production planning control functions. This role gave me first-hand understanding of how the organizational culture affects business operations. In the year 2000 and to 2005, I joined Faurecia Automotive Seating India Private Limited, a French multinational company in Bangalore. They specialized in seating components for the automotive industry. During this time, I learned about multinational corporate culture, implemented lean principles, and gained experience in various manufacturing processes, including press operations, CNC wire and tube bending machines, specialized welding process, and logistic management. From the year 2005, I moved into senior management at Web India Private Limited, a US-based MNC. They are into manufacturing metal handling equipments in Bangalore. I gained invaluable experience to streamline the manufacturing process, implement operational excellence, and had exposure to global stakeholders across India, the US, and Canada. I spearheaded the establishment of a fabrication plant dedicated to manufacturing power and free conveyors, automated storage retrieval system, and airport baggage handling systems. Continuing my senior management journey, I had a big opportunity to work at Stork Prints Group, a Netherlands-based company specializing in textile printing machinery manufacturing. From the year 2007 to the year 2011 as General Manager Operation in Ahmedabad, where I was in charge of the textile printing machinery division's profit and loss. During this time, I achieved notable successes in streamlining machine assembly operations, reducing order to delivery lead times, enhancing productivity, enhancing the revenues, and facilitating technology transfer. I also led and successfully built the new machine assembly plant in record period of time. In the year 2011 to the 2015, I led the brass division as vice president at Harsha Engineers Limited, Ahmedabad. This company is a big player in making bearing cages, both in steel and brass. I directed the operations of brass bearing cage manufacturing. I was also KK chairman, implemented TPM successfully, and I worked with multiple stakeholders across Germany, Austria, and Romania, enhanced the exports revenue. And also, I was instrumental for planning lean factory design and building an integrated greenfield project for brass bearing cage manufacturing. Presently, since 2015, I hold a senior management position at Mangal Industries, a prominent entity within the Amaraja group of companies since 2015. Well, to summarize that my 18-year tenure in senior management and 3.5 decades of overall experience, spanning multiple industries and continents, I have cultivated a wealth of expertise and leadership acumen, demonstrating a consistent commitment to operational and business excellence, strategic leadership, and collaborative innovations.
Mr. Sudhakar, thank you for the excellent start to this interview. And I must say, your career journey is truly inspiring.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, continuing our conversation, our viewers would like to know, in your current role as SBU head at Mangal Industries Limited, what are the primary challenges you face and how do you address them?
Well, before I talk about the challenges, let me provide some context about my current organization. Mangal Industries Limited is a part of the Amaraja Group, encompassing 7 distinct SBUs: Metal Forming Division, Injection Molding Division, Fasteners Division, Storage Solution Division, Custom Fabrication Division, Bush Casting Division, and Toolworks. These divisions are spread across Chittoor, Tirupati, and Chennai, collectively employing over 3,000 individuals and boasting a turnover of rupees 1,600 crores. Given this setup, it is evident that I face several challenges. Firstly, managing multiple locations demands careful time allocation, particularly as I am committed to ensuring optimal operation across each shop floor. Secondly, operating within a multi-process industry presents its own sets of hurdles. Each of the 7 industries operates with distinct processes. Effectively navigating these differences poses a significant challenge to achieving operational and business excellence. To address these challenges effectively, I implemented strategic approaches tailored to the specific needs to our multi-location and multi-process environment. Firstly, I prioritize effective time management by utilizing advanced scheduling techniques and leveraging technology to streamline communication and coordination across all the locations. This ensures that I can devote adequate attention to each shop floor while still maintaining an overarching view of operations. Secondly, I adopt a proactive approach to foster synergy among the diverse persons within our organization by facilitating cross-functional collaboration and knowledge sharing sessions. I identify commonalities and areas of integration, ultimately enhancing the efficiency and productivity across the board. Furthermore, I introduced manufacturing strategy roadmaps for the immediate and medium-term future, guiding our teams in focusing on key areas as safety, quality, capacity, manufacturing cost, optimization of headcount, new business development, effective capital expenditure planning, and enhancing EBITDA levels. By systematically driving these initiatives, I have been able to address the challenges inherent in our complex operational landscape while driving sustainable growth and performance improvements.
That sounds incredible. So, building on to that, in your free time, you enjoy photography, cricket, and music. So, how do you believe this interests contribute to your personal development and leadership style?
This is very interesting. See, I'm very much interested in photography, cricket, and music from early childhood days and continuing the same. In my view, I can say how it was helpful for my personal development and leadership style. When I take photography, photography encourages creativity, attention to details, and the ability to see things from different perspectives. As a leader, these skills translate into the capacity to envision innovative solutions, appreciate diverse viewpoint, communicate effectively with stakeholders, and also photography teaches patience and perseverance. The only game I play is cricket. I don't play any other games. So cricket is my favorite game or sport, I can say. Cricket fosters teamwork, strategic thinking, and resilience. As a team sport, cricket emphasizes collaboration, communication, and trust among the players, mirroring the dynamics of effective leadership within the organization. Playing cricket teaches valuable skills like analyzing situations, being flexible, and making fast decisions when things get tough. These skills are really important for leaders to lead their teams well and reach their goals together in dynamic environments. Well, when we talk about music, I think many people love music. I also love music. Music, it nurtures emotional intelligence, empathy, and creativity. Engaging with music allows for self-expression, introspection, and exploration of different perspectives and emotions. As a leader, it is important to know how emotions can influence people and to create a workplace where everyone feels supported and included. This helps to build trust and keep team members motivated. Personally, my hobbies like photography, cricket, and music have helped me grow and develop as a leader. They have taught me to be creative, work well with others, bounce back from challenges, understand emotions, and think strategically. By bringing together these different interests in my leadership style, I aim to motivate others, encourage new ideas, and make a positive difference both in my organization and in the wider world.
All right. So, choose between the two. Your favorite cricketer, Sachin or Dhoni?
It's absolutely Dhoni.
All right. One day cricket or 2020?
See, I like Dhoni in all format, whether it's a test one day or 2020. The trend is 2020. It's excellent because dynamic situations, dynamic decisions has to be taken, and you need to have a lot of perseverance to tolerate the pressure.
Amazing. All right. Let's move ahead. And now that we have discussed your career journey, your professional pursuits, your likings and achievements, let's dive into the subject of ESG and corporate governance. So, here is my question to you, and a very obvious one. What piqued your interest in ESG and corporate governance?
Well, My interest in ESG and corporate governance stems from recognizing the critical role that business plays in society and the broader impact of their decision on stakeholders, including employees, customers, communities, and the environment. I am passionate about understanding how businesses can contribute positively to society beyond just financial performance. ESG principles emphasize responsible and sustainable business practices that consider environmental conservation, social equity, and ethical governance, aligning with my values of corporate responsibility and social impact. Effective corporate governance practices are essential for maintaining transparency, accountability, and integrity within organizations. By prioritizing strong governance structures and ethical decision making, companies can enhance trust among stakeholders, mitigate risk, and create long term value for shareholders and society as a whole. Integrating ESG factors into business strategies helps identify and manage emerging risks related to environmental degradation, social inequality, regulatory compliance, and reputational damage. Proactively addressing these risks not only protects the company's bottom line, but also enhances its resilience in the face of evolving market dynamics and social expectation. To sum up, I am interested in ESG and corporate governance, which is driven by a belief in power of business to create positive change, a commitment to ethical leadership and responsible stewardship, and a recognition of the strategic imperative for business to embrace sustainability and accountability in today's complex and interconnected global landscape.
All right. So, as an ESG and corporate governance expert, Mr. Sudhakar, what values do you bring to the table?
Well, as ESG and corporate governance expert, I bring a set of core values that guide my approach to advising and implementing sustainable and responsible business practices. I can say like integrity, accountability, sustainability, inclusivity, responsibility, continuous learning, collaboration, and innovation. I prioritize honesty, transparency, and ethical behavior in all interactions. This helps building trust among stakeholders and maintaining credibility as a trusted advisor in ESG and corporate governance matters. I believe in holding organizations accountable for their actions and decisions, both to their shareholders and to society at large. This includes advocating for transparent reporting, robust governance structure, and measurable commitments to ESG goals and targets. I am committed to promoting environmental stewardship, social equity, and economic resilience. I advocate for integrating sustainability consideration into business strategies, operations, and decision-making process to drive long-term value creation and positive societal impact. I value diversity, equity, and inclusion as essential principles for fostering innovation, collaboration, and shared prosperity. Advocate for inclusive practices that empower diverse voices, promote equal opportunities, and address systematic barriers to participation and advancement. Well, in terms of ambitions and aspirations of the corporate governance front, I aim to drive positive change within organizations to promoting robust corporate governance frameworks that prioritize transparency, accountability, and ethical conduct. I also aspire to help companies adapt governance practices that align with international standards and best practices, fostering trust and confidence among investors, employees, and other stakeholders. I also aspire to play a pivotal role in enhancing board effectiveness by facilitating board evaluations, providing governance and training and education, and advising on board's composition and succession planning. I also aim to help boards become more strategic, diverse, and forward thinking in their decision making processes, ultimately contributing to improved organizational performance and resilience. As a corporate governance professional, I aspire to lead by example and uphold the highest standards of integrity, professionalism, and ethical conduct. I aim to serve as a trusted advisor and advocate for ethical leadership, promoting a culture of integrity and accountability within organization. By demonstrating a commitment to transparency, fairness, and ethical behavior, I strive to inspire others to embrace these values and principles in their own governance practices. I believe in power of stakeholder engagement as a key pillar of effective corporate governance. My aspiration is to encourage companies to proactively agree with their stakeholders, listen to their concerns, and incorporate their feedback into decision-making processes. By fostering open dialogue and collaboration with investors, employees, customers, and communities, I aim to help organizations build stronger relationships, enhance trust, and create shared value for all stakeholders. I'm looking for the roles to handle whether an executive or non-executive director or a corporate executive. I want to leverage my expertise, passion, and values to support organizations in achieving their governance and sustainability objectives. Whether it is conductive governance assessment, developing governance policies and procedures, or providing training and guidance to board members and executives. I am dedicated to making a meaningful impact and driving positive change in the realm of corporate governance and ESG performance.
Rightly said, Mr. Sudhakar. And thank you for sharing such amazing insights into different subjects. So let's discuss technology and its impact on your professional landscape. So what are some disruptions you see across industry with the advent of technology like IoT, AI, ML, blockchain, big data, digital twin, Web 3.0, etc.?
Certainly. These digital technologies, what you mentioned, is causing significant disruption across various industries. I'll just brief a few of them. IoT, it's a real-time monitoring and control devices and processes. Enhanced efficiency and automation in various sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, and smart cities. Opportunities for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime, and optimizing resource utilization, thus cost saving in a big way. When you talk about artificial intelligence, it's an advanced data analytics enabling business to extract actionable insight from large data sets. Automation of repetitive tasks and decision-making processes. Personalized customer experience through recommendation system and targeted marketing. When you talk about machine learning, it improved accuracy and efficiency in predictive modeling and pattern recognition. Self-learning algorithms that adapt to new data and trends over time. Application in fraud detection, natural language processing, image recognition, and autonomous system. Well, when we talk about blockchain, it secures and transparent transaction systems, reduce the need for intermediaries, traceability and immutability of data, beneficial for supply chain management, identify verification, and smart contracts. Potential disruption in traditional financial system, enabling decentralized finance and tokenizing of assets. When we talk about cloud computing, it is scalable and flexible infrastructure, enabling rapid deployment of application and service. Very cost-effective storage and processing of large data sets. It facilitates remote working and collaboration with cloud-based tools and platforms. Digital twins, they are very effective when it comes to application of product design, urban planning, and industrial operation, leading to cost saving and innovation. when I think you asked about big data analysis. It's extraction of insights from vast and diverse data sets, leading to data-driven decision making, identification of trends, correlations, and anomalies that were previously difficult to detect. Application in healthcare, finance, marketing, and risk management. Finally, when we talk about Web 3.0, decentralization of the internet, enabling peer-to-peer interaction and ownership of digital assets. Integration of AI, blockchain, and decentralization protocols, fostering trust and privacy and security. Shift towards user-centric experience and personalized content delivery. Overall, these digital technologies are reshaping industries by enhancing efficiency, improving decision making, enabling new business model, and fostering innovation. However, they also bring big challenges such as data privacy concern, cybersecurity risk, and also the need for upskilling the workforce to leverage these advancements effectively.
All right. Thank you for sharing such amazing insights into different subjects, Mr. Sudhakar. And let's move ahead. And so this brings us to the last question of the session. We are building a community of industry magnates. The move is meant for cross-pollination of knowledge and building a knowledge-sharing community of corporate giants and industry experts. So what are your thoughts about these initiatives taken by Mr. Zishan Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the team of World Development Corporation?
Yes, I think the initiatives taken by Mr. Jason Pathan and Mr. Heval Mehta and the entire team at World Development Corporation is amazing. You have a meaningful vision and mission. Your vision says that to contribute to the global economy through refining the ESG space by creating responsible corporates through board effectiveness and training. That's a great vision you have. And your mission says, I just summarize your mission, what I just remember, to train professionals every year in becoming globally competent board directors, to contribute to the world development by assisting various organizations in training their directors on board effectiveness and aspiring professionals in gaining access to the boards. The training course is meticulously crafted to cater to professionals of all backgrounds, offering in-depth knowledge on effectively navigating corporate governance laws, ESG principles, and digital programs. It provides a comprehensive understanding of board management techniques. And also, you have an excellent personal branding programs like FaceTime interviews, publishing articles to your Star Wars magazine, and it gives good recognition for the aspiring directors, and it is really motivating. And the network opportunities provided are exceptional, allowing professionals like myself to connect with industry magnates from diverse sectors. This enables us to acquire valuable insights essential for becoming effective directors. And also, I should not miss to say the live sessions, particularly those led by Mr. Sundareshan Jayamurthy on topics such as Independent Director Program and ESG, are truly remarkable. I consider myself fortunate to have participated in Mr. Sundareshan Jayamurthy's sessions, where he presented live case studies, offering practical examples and insight on how to excel as a board director. I really thank once again Mr. Jason Pathan, Mr. Heval Mehta, and the entire World Development Corporation team putting so much efforts for providing this platform an opportunity to be effective future directors or corporate executives on the board. Thank you.
Great. It was fantastic conversing with you, and I'm confident that your insights will inspire future leaders. Thank you, Mr. N. Sudhakar, for joining us today. Wish you the best for your future endeavors. Moreover, trust that this initiative by Directors Institute has unquestionably expanded the participants' understanding and enriched their minds.
Thank you, Sunny Pancholi. Have a great day.
You too, sir. Thank you.